Hi, I'm Jenni from Tuftinglove, and today we're looking at our tufting machine classics, the AK1 cut pile and the AK2 loop pile tufting machine. These two can create different piles, and if you're wondering what that means, let's dive right into this topic. So tufting machines can always be split up in two groups, the cut pile tufting machines and the loop pile tufting machines. So they're creating different kind of pile, so the fluffy part on your rock. The cut pile tufting machine, as the name already says, creates this cut open fluffy part, and that's what you're also seeing where people on Instagram are carving this three-dimensionally and shaping it nicely. The cut pile tufting machine is what you need if you want to go into this three-dimensionally carving part. The loop pile, on the other hand, is creating loop after loop after loop, which is generating this super nice textured surface. And you can play with the different heights as well and different textures and the directions you're moving. So we have the cut pile, which creates that fluffy part, and we have the loop pile, which creates the more textured part on tufted rocks. Whether you're choosing the AK1 cut pile or the AK2 loop pile, with every tufting machine there obviously comes the power adapter with the EU plug and also the small set of spare parts and the Allen key set to it. So with the cut pile there's also coming spare scissors if they ever get dull, so you can just exchange them, and with the loop pile there's coming the spare parts that are the most used with the loop pile, and if there's anything else you need, you always can get it in our shop. So the AK1 and the AK2 are like the classic tufting machines. Unfortunately, that also means there's a lot of cheap copies of this tufting machine out there. So make sure you're buying from a reliable shop with the original AK series and not the cheap copies there the motor starts to smoke on your first piece. To give you that certainty with our tufting machines, you have 2 years of warranty on all our tufting machines, so you can be sure that we're delivering a quality tufting machine to you, which is reliable and you're having fun tufting and not trouble fixing it. If you're now thinking, I can't decide whether I should go for the cut or the loop pile, don't worry, obviously we have a bundle deal where you can save some money if you want to get the full 3D texture and fluffiness experience. You're gonna find it at the very bottom of the page, and if you have any more questions, feel free to drop me a comment or an email, and I'm happy to help you deciding how to start your tufting journey.